market just opened. Realistically, just waiting for a continuation. We swept this low down here, and we did get a major reversal. So hoping to get some sort of rebalance, which I'm waiting for, and then a continuation, and just target the previous high that we put in before. Huge dump at market open. So just gonna see how this candle flips, and then possibly be in for longs here. I believe we put in a bullish SMT down here as well. But yeah, so we had our huge displacement of it. I think we put in a bearish SMT on ES as well. But right now, I'm just waiting for a rebalance and then, just catch a continuation to this next draw. Realistically, what I'm hoping for. But yeah, so I think in yesterday's lecture as well, I did say that this huge gap from New Week Open will be filled. Exactly what happened. So kind of annoyed I didn't hold my NQ position because I knew I was gonna aim for last week's highs, but yeah, it is what it is. Hmm. Continue to displace lower. Next draws I'll be targeting. Just depends. Personally, I see this going a lot lower. Oh. Okay. Let's talk about all our draws. So this candle reacts. If you get a huge candle flip, then possibly we just got a SMT now put in. Just check ES. Yeah. Yeah, we might get a major flip here. If that's the case, I'll just wait. Yeah, we've got a huge soup as well. Just depends how this candle closes right now. Okay, if you get a nice bullish displacement off this candle now, then I'll be in for longs, targeting this high just below. Didn't get no major displacement. We tried to break through and close below the previous lows we had put in the LRs, but struggled to. So we either continue bullish targeting these draws, or we do continue bearish. Just depends on this candle right here. Okay, most likely going to be sells. Okay. Yeah, I'm in for sells now. Targeting 30 points. So just one like this. And then yeah, it's perfectly aligned with this low here as well. Yeah. You might have noticed I'm in with bigger contracts now as well. I think I was just risking a very small amount. I was just trying to get used to the lots because obviously I'm still on expresses on Top Step. So yeah, just trying to get used to the lot sizes honestly. So This looks beautiful. Really close. Honestly, if you get edged, that is crazy work. All right, let's go. TP Bank. Easy shit. So yeah. I mean that's another NQ trade for you guys as well. Shit's pretty simple, honestly. I give you the most. I don't know, guys. You guys need to like lock in and see for yourself. Like this shit's just too goated. The NQ strat is going to take over. Mark my word. Right now, all my socials, YouTube, Insta, they're all at like very, very low counts or follow subscribers, whatever. But I believe in the strategy. I know it is going to pop. It's just a matter of when. Because honestly, it's just such a simple and profitable strategy where it's got an extremely high win rate. Like my whole Discord for the past, well, from the 1st of December till now, we've literally had an 85% win rate, all of us. Like they're all taking the exact same executions as me, or they're taking a bit earlier. It's just when, because again, like I said, it's a discretionary strategy. They're just taking the trades whenever, you know, it makes sense to them. And that's basically what discretionary entry is. Reading price action, reading human emotions, reading human psychology, like looking behind the actual psychology behind trading, seeing where people are going to get inverse, where people are where the algorithm is going to invite in buyers or sellers, and it's going to liquidate them. And you're trying to be the complete opposite of the 98% of traders that are being completely liquidated. That's basically what the strategy is. It's like so simple yet so profitable with a one-to-one. And the only reason I've set it out one-to-one is because the TP and the stop loss is algorithmically algo. All right, I always struggle to say that word. Anyways, like I've always set at a place where it's either going to for definite hit stop loss and then continue going up, or it will hit take profit before it reverses. Like at 30 points, I've calculated that accurately, and you can just see exactly what I said. Complete dump, and then it's going to take out previous lows that we had. But yeah, pretty nice trade. It was literally 1 or 2 minutes. This is basically the freedom that comes with trading. The strategy is not something where you need to be on charts 24/7 looking out for a trade or just holding a trade for swing trading. Because I used to be a swing trader, most of you would know, last year beginning. Then after that, I didn't really see it be the best fit for me. So hence why I went with just day trading and being in and out of positions really quickly, and then obviously move away from gold slowly. Because I think for me, Nasdaq works a lot better for me. The price action. But yeah, I mean the results on the Discord. I don't really post them on my Instagram anymore as much as I used to. I think it's just to work in silence and like building silence for all my mentees, and just watching them progress and grow, and pass funded accounts, hop on expresses, make payouts. But yeah, it's just a simple strategy. It's just a really really simple strategy that I teach. Obviously, there is a lot of work behind it. So I do teach a lot of concepts. By concepts, I mean reading price action. All the things that come with the strategy, knowing when to take the trade, knowing when to short or long, using discretionary properly and efficiently. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoy the video as well. Yeah, and if you wanna join my Discord, then the links in my Insta bio. But yeah, that's today's trade recap as well. This one again is gonna be posted on YouTube. So yeah, take care, guys. Love you all, and peace. See you in the next one.